Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, once a central figure in Zimbabwe's political and military landscape, is now being seen in a much different light as he tours rural development projects, raising questions about his influence under President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sanabena mashoko kudai kwachinzi General Chiwenga from the barracks to the gardens. Is Chiwenga's star fading away? Sanabena mashoko akuda panguva inochonekwa kunzi under the Mnangagwa regime. Baby Chiwenga is now being reduced. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. TSHABANGUCHAMISA anonyora vachiti Chiwenga is currently in Makorokoro village, Jinjika, inspecting the Makorokoro Nutrition Garden, a project commissioned by Mnangagwa in 2021. He was welcomed by the Minister of State for Matabeleland South Province Affairs and Devolution, Albert Ngulube, marking the start of the 3-day tour across the province. Officially, the visits are part of the government's rural industrialization drive, aiming to uplift communities and ensure inclusive development. Chiwenga's itinerary also includes stops at the Mafisa Ada irrigation scheme, Bishopstone Estate, in Factory, Nottingham Estate, Palm Rivers Energy Project, Gwanda Lithium Mine, Tuli Manyamatram, and Karanyemba Village Business Unit. In quotes, we are here to ensure that our people can fully leverage the benefits of these projects, Chiwenga said. The Makorokoro Nutrition Garden, just one example of how we are working to improve food security and promote sustainable agriculture in our communities. Political analysts, however, interpret the assignment as a sign of Chiwenga's declining political clout. The vice president, once a powerful general and key decision maker, is now largely confined to overseeing peripheral development projects, said one observer. This is a clear signal that Mnangagwa is consolidating power while Chiwenga is being pushed to the margins. Local leaders and community members welcomed the visit, expressing optimism that it would enhance support for ongoing initiatives. Government officials emphasized that no one and no place is being left behind in the country's development journey. Despite the official rationale, the optics suggest a shift in political dynamics. A former military heavyweight now trending to gardens and irrigation schemes, while the corridors of power in Harare remains firmly under Mnangagwa's control. Tombaswa kubuda panguva ino chinzi aiwa General Chiwenga panguva ino vakunyasa kuredusiwa, aiwa kunoiswa kuchakasara chaiko akanga ari a former army general. Pinda comment section medu muzofuro any more kudiva musoro kuchitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.